I'm really, really hot. Every time my records drop, radio says I won't stop, cause I'm killing them.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I was doing vlogmas before, but as the days went on, I realized I actually wasn't doing much. Like, my days were absolutely boring. There was nothing to vlog. So today, this is a video, not a vlog. I'm just starting it off like this because I've already started doing the hair, but I'm gonna be doing my hair. I already dyed it, re-dyed it. It was already dyed, but I just need to dye it again because my roots were kind of grown up, well, quite a bit. It's a bit gingery. It looks more brown in camera, but in real life it's a bit gingery, but I don't hate it. I think it's cute. So I've started doing all the half single plaits on my head for the faux locks that I'm going to be doing. I'm not really going to show you guys how to do this part just because, you know, I'm pretty sure most of you know how to plait your own hair. I'm not even plaiting the whole way down. I don't know how to show you. If you can see, like, the ends of, I'm only plaiting halfway. But I'll get back to you guys when I start wrapping the hair, because this is going to be my first time doing it this way. I usually do it with a whole faux crochet lock, but this time I just thought, let me do it the long way, make it look even better. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Jamaican locks. It's a kinky kind of hair. It's 44 inches long. So this is what it looks like unpacked. As you can see, it's like a gingery colour that matches the colour I've dyed my natural hair. So I'm just cutting it in half just because I'm doing some short locks. And there you see me pull out a small section of hair, which I'm going to fluff up just so like I can start with the locking process before I put it on the crochet hook. So this is what it looks like, quite short. Don't know what to say about that. So we're going to get ready to put it on the crochet hook. So first I stretch it out, and then there's the crochet hook. It opens and closes like easily, so it's not that much of a hassle. I twist the hair and then I hook it into the crochet hook once I've put the hook through the root of my hair. So don't put it in the plait, put it at the root of your hair. And then I hook the hair on and pull it through, and the latch that closes on its own. You want to be careful pulling the hair through so it doesn't get all tangled and then you end up with a hot mess on your head. But yeah, pull that through, and then I make sure one side is longer than the other, just because I need the side that I'm wrapping with to be longer than the other. And then the other side I hold it down with my natural hair and hold them together tightly. And then I make sure to wrap the root of my head like 3 to 4 times, tightly that is, to secure the hair into my hair, as you can see. And then for the rest of the lock, I just wrap a little bit looser, depending on how tight or loose you want your locks, but it's looser than the root. As you can see, like, I'm using my finger to wrap it around, and then where the hair starts to get to, what's it called? I try and make sure the hair is spread out evenly, so it wraps more of the hair, if that makes sense. I don't know if I'm making a lot of sense, but yeah. And then when you get to the bottom, you want to fold the bottom over and then wrap upwards and in the same direction but upwards. And then I rub it in the palms of my hands and it's done. So I change angles because I want you guys to be able to see more clearly what I'm doing. So there you go, the crochet needles through my head, twisted hair onto the latch, pull it through, it's closed. Make sure one side is longer than the other. And then tightly wrap 3 or 4 times. I'm just putting that piece of hair down just so it's evenly, so I can make sure the length is even. And then wrap 3 times, 4 times, however many, not too many, tightly, as you can see. And then loosely wrap the rest of the way down my hair, so the rest of the way down the extension, making sure I'm covering every piece of hair, like the hair is overlapping each time. I'm gonna show you guys the process one more time, just so like I hope you guys are understanding what I'm doing. So pull out the section of hair, small section, stretch it out evenly. I just pulled out a couple because I'm preparing the hair for the locks. Yeah, we've gone a couple steps backwards, but I just wanted to show you a different angle. But yeah, same process. twist the hair, put it onto the crochet hook, pull it through gently, make sure one side of the hair is longer than the other. Hold my hair with the shorter side of the extension and then wrap around the root tightly 3 to 4 times to secure the hair in, as you can see. Okay, now that my locks are done, I'm going to boil some water and then I'm going to put it in a big jug just so I can dip my hair in. Now, obviously you can see that the hair holds itself once you wrap it, but this is just so the hair doesn't look stiff, because I don't know if you saw when I let it down, there's no movement. It's very, very stiff and looks very, very horrible. So yeah, just put it into some hot water for like 30 seconds or so. I'm just doing it in sections just so I don't burn myself. But yeah, please be extra careful with the boiling hot water in your scalp.
It's a feeling you've been running from.
my locks, I just run my flannel under the hot tap and then put that on my head for a while, just to, I don't know, I've seen people do it. But anyways, here's the finished look. I couldn't record because I wasn't looking so great that day. I just wasn't feeling confident. But yeah, this is me with my makeup done, my edges done. They look cute in it. They look cute. But I might extend them, but we'll see what happens because I'm not really feeling the length anymore.